Hey everybody, Chris Lee with the MRL Company. Got another new product from Caddy to share with you today. This is the STS2346, the new snap to stud electrical box bracket from Caddy. Again, the STS2346. The snap to stud function makes installation fast and easy, saving time and increasing productivity. The self-leveling feature ensures the electrical box is always square to the stud for a consistent and professional installation. It mounts to either side of the stud and can be mounted side by side to the same stud as well, like you can see here. It accommodates all stud depths, simplifying purchasing for both projects and prefab operations. It works with standard or adjustable single and double gang mud rings. The rigid design delivers consistency and quality during the trim out phase, helping to reduce callbacks and costly repairs. Additional mounting tabs allow the bracket to be secured to the front of the stud and the inside face of the stud for extra stability. Specialty shaped keyholes help keep the box assembled even when the mud ring is removed, providing greater access to the box in the field. If you have any questions on this new STS2346 from Caddy or any of the products from Caddy, please reach out to us at the MRL Company. Thanks and have a great day.